Hello friends, namaste, welcome to my channel. Let's make it lovely. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon for notifications. In today's video, I am going to show how to make a low cost backdrop stand at home and one more easy and quick option for small puja backdrops. In my previous decoration videos, I showed you all how I fix my backdrop cloth using push pins. But we can use these push pins only on wooden walls. So I got a lot of comments asking how to fix backdrop for Indian concrete walls without drilling holes. So I thought I should make a separate video for you all. Now let's make an easy and low cost backdrop stand. I'm using these two plastic containers I have. You may also use steel containers or plastic buckets. First, I'm filling my containers with soil from my empty plant pots. You can use regular soil too. Fill the containers fully. Slightly wet the soil with little bit of water. Next, we need two 5 feet sticks and one 4 feet stick and two jute ropes. Now using a utility knife, I'm cutting X on my lids in the middle. Lids are optional, but I prefer having lids so we don't accidentally make a mess inside the house. Now I'm inserting my 5 feet sticks into the container through the hole. Then I'm fixing the soil tight with my hand. Repeat the same with the another set. You can also use plastic pipes instead of wooden sticks. Next, we need to fix the top stick on these two vertical sticks using jute rope. Grab two sticks together at the end, loop them and tie them together with the jute rope as tight as you can. Wrap the rope multiple times and do multiple knots to secure it. Repeat the same on the other end. Now this is how the stand looks. I also secured the joint with a layer of tape over the jute rope so the top stick won't slide down. Now you can use any shawl or lightweight sari on this backdrop stand for your puja. Remember to use only lightweight flowers and artificial torrents over this stand. I fixed mine using safety pins. Here I'm giving a quick glance of using a lightweight regular sari and also a lightweight silk sari on the stand. Now let's see the second option using command hooks. I'm not sponsored by anyone to say this, I'm just sharing this in interest of my viewers. These hooks come in variety of sizes. The one I'm showing here holds up to 2.2 kgs. These can be removed and reused. It comes with instructions on the back. Let me show you how easy it is to use this. First, remove the red label and stick it to the back of the hook. Press it properly to make sure it's nicely stuck. Repeat the same with the second hook. Now you have two more adhesive strips left for later use. Following the instructions, I'm wiping the wall where I want to stick these hooks. Now remove the back black label, place it on the wall where we cleaned it before and press firmly. Then slide the hook up and press the base firmly for at least 30 seconds. Now slide the hook back on and wait for 1 hour before use. After 1 hour, simply tie a jute rope or a ribbon and hang your lightweight saree or shawl as backdrop for your puja. Command hooks might not be a right option if your wall paint chips often. Once you are done with your puja, you can slide up the hook and leave the base on the wall until your next puja. It is almost unnoticeable. But if you want to remove it, just pull the base strip down. The strip will stretch out and it will come off easily. As you can see, there is no residue left on the wall. I hope you find these two options useful for setting up quick puja backdrops without drilling your walls. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out my other puja decoration videos and don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you.